Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve a math problem that many people often get wrong. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what topics you'd like to see in future videos by leaving a comment below. First off, it's crucial to understand the order of operations in mathematics. First, operations inside parentheses. Next, exponents. Then, multiplication and division, from left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction, from left to right. Let's look at our operations. Subtraction, parentheses, and within them, there's another subtraction operation. There's also a hidden multiplication operation here. Now, we do the operations inside the parentheses according to the order of operations. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's rewrite the operation. 4 minus 1 times 2. Now we do the multiplication. 1 times 2 equals 2. And in our last operation, we do the subtraction. 4 minus 2 equals 2. The answer is 2. Solve this question and write your answer in the comments. Now it's your turn. You're going to solve this question. Pause the video. I'm solving it. Feel free to follow along. I hope you understood the solution. To support me and help me continue making content like this, please like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.